Dear students, as the hum of school life changes pace, I know you are all gearing up for your upcoming exams. This can be exciting, yet potentially stressful time too. But remember, you are not alone in this journey. Exam preparation is an opportunity to deepen your understanding and refine your skills. So view it as a chance to test your knowledge, identify areas for improvement, and solidify your learning. Embrace the challenges with a positive attitude and remember, hard work and dedication ultimately pave the way for success. So now I'm happy to give you little help how to approach your preparation with confidence. First and foremost, preparation is the key. Dear students, for preparing well, you need to start early, which you must have done already. So don't wait until the last minute to cram. Consistent studying over time is much more effective. So you need to start your preparation much earlier. I'm sure all of you must have done. So for that, you need to make a study plan. You need to break your material into manageable chunks and schedule your specific times for each subject. And that you need to stick to your plan. So this is for effective study. And then you need to use different learning methods. Don't fix to one pattern. Mix things up with the flashcards, practice questions, mind maps, group study, or whatever works best for you. So have a different learning methods. And then clarify your doubts. Very essential. You need to clarify all your doubts and don't hesitate to ask your teachers or your classmates for help if you are stuck somewhere on something. So these are the things that is related to your preparation. Then I would also request all of you to have a good way of taking care of yourself. Remember to take care of yourself. Get enough sleep. It is required. A well-rested mind is a sharp mind. So overstudy without sleep is going to affect your exam. So you need to be taking enough rest during the exam days even. And then eat healthy food. This is another way you can take care of your health. You need to nourish your body and brain with nutritious meals and snacks. Time to time, you need to feed yourself, feed your body, and that will give your brain a better and sharpness too. And so you need to, another tip for helping yourself is to exercise regularly. You must be sitting in one place and reading at a stretch. Yes, but it is essential for you to have little exercise too. Regularly you need to have the exercise. Physical activity helps reduce stress and boost focus. So take breaks for a walk, some yoga or anything that you enjoy. So after a period of time of study, you need to have a break for an exercise. And that will make your body more active and your brain will be more sharp too. And then you need to understand how to manage your stress. So practice relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation to calm your nerves. So this is a very helpful technique for you to have a breathing exercise. So when you feel you are so nervous, so pause a while, take a deep breath. Deep breathing exercise which will enhance your reviving yourself and your brain will be more relaxed. So your nerve will be relaxed too. Another tip I would ask all of you to do is to believe in yourself. Yes, you have already done so much. Your studies are almost done. So focus on your strength instead of focusing on your negative things or weaker side. So focus on your strength. Don't compare yourself to others. Don't ever try to compare how much your friend is able to score mark. Instead, you need to be focusing on your strength. Remember your own achievements and capabilities. You have done a lot and you have proved to be the best of yourself. So don't try to compare with others. And so stay positive. A positive attitude can go a long way. Tell yourself, I can do this, and visualize success. So this is for another way how you can more achievements. When you believe yourself that I can do this, you are going to do it. So believe and visualize your success. Don't be afraid to fail, dear students. Sometimes you may fail, but don't be afraid. Fail with courage. Everyone makes mistakes. So learn from the mistakes that you do and keep moving on. And then during the exam days, during the exam hours, what you need to do? You need to stay calm. You need to be very calm. Take a few deep breaths again before starting and remind yourself that everyone feels nervous during exams. Focus on what you can control, like your effort and attitude. So you need to be calm, serene, and read the instructions carefully. This is very important. When you are tense, you may sometimes overlook the instructions, you may make mistakes. So be relaxed and read the instructions carefully. Understanding what is expected is key to avoiding careless mistakes. Don't hesitate to ask the supervisor for clarification if needed. And then plan your time. As you get the question paper, you need to allocate time for each question based on its points and difficulty. Don't dwell on one question for too long and move on and come back if you have time. So if you spend more time on one question, you may miss time for the other question. So you need to make your time for each questions, and so should not spend long time on one question. Stay focused. Avoid distractions like fidgeting or looking around. Don't be fidgeting, but you need to be focused on your questions and the answers you give. Focus on understanding the question and formulating your answer. That should be the focus in the exam hall. Answer to the best of your ability. Even if you are not sure about something, it's better to write down what you know than leave it blank. Show your work where applicable, as partial credit is possible. So whatever you know, write it. Don't leave any question blank. Attempt for that question and know you have learned. And remember, proofreading is must. Proofread your work. At the end, you should make a proofreading. If time permits, quickly review your answers for any types of factual errors. Again, I would give you another few tips. You can visualize your success. Imagine yourself calmly and confidently completing the exam and doing well. You visualize so that you will not have tension. And self-talk is very much required. Positive self-talk. Emphasize. Avoid negative thoughts and replace them with the affirmations like I'm prepared, I can do this. So let positive talk emphasis, or you stress only on the positive talk. Celebrate your effort. Yes, you have done all your preparation. So regardless of the outcome, acknowledge your hard work and effort in preparing for the exam. Don't worry if you have missed out little bit. But then celebrate all the efforts that you have made. You have done a good job. A good effort is made. Remember, everyone experiences some level of exam anxiety. By following these tips and focusing on what you can control, you can manage your stress and perform your best on the day. So dear students, I'm sure all of you are prepared for your exam. Be relaxed and focus on visualize on the success that you are going to achieve. So remember, success is not just about your grades. It's about the effort you put in and the knowledge you gain. So study hard, take care of yourself and believe in your abilities. So this is what at the end I would wish all my students good luck, and I hope this message helps you feel prepared and confident for your exam. From the NDA School family, I wish you all the very best for your exams, and remember, we are here to support you. Every step of your way, we are there. So go forth and be the best of yourself. I wish you all the best for your good exam. Good luck.